Welcome to UE Systems Ultraprobe 100 Equipment Orientation, presented to you by UE Systems Incorporated's Training Division. We're going to discuss the Ultraprobe 100 and how to operate this unit. The Ultraprobe 100 comes with the pieces you see and a few more. This is the Ultraprobe 100 unit. The scanning module or different modules such as the stethoscope module fit into the front of the housing. It is run by a 9-volt replaceable battery. Let's identify the different pieces of the pistol grip Ultraprobe 100. The on-off trigger must be pulled in and held to keep the unit on. Once released, the unit will go off. The battery compartment, slide it open, you'll see the 9-volt battery clipped in there, easily replaced. The safety wrist strap that should be worn at all times, never left dangling around rotating or electrical equipment. The module housing, the hole in the faceplate of the gun. The module slides into the faceplate of the gun by an RCA connection. It fits very tightly, so rotate slightly as you pull out on this particular module. Scanning module, we'll talk more about that in a minute for airborne activities. The rubber focusing probe to help pinpoint where the source of the ultrasound is. The contact stethoscope module for receiving structure-borne sounds such as bearings, steam traps, valves. The long-range module to increase the distance, basically doubling the distance of the scanning module with a 10-degree field of view, whereas the scanning module has a 60-degree field of view. The equipment controls. The Ultraprobe 100 is not designed to be a trending device. It is an analog unit with approximations of decibels. These decibels do not match any of the digital accurate ultraprobes, such as the 9000, 3000, 401 Grease Caddy, Ultraprobe 10,000, Ultraprobe 15,000. The amplitude indicator, which is 10 LED bars, each LED is approximately 3 decibels to get or compare readings for that one moment. The headphone output, which is a mono split 3.5 millimeter jack. Low battery indicator, when that LED lights, the battery needs to be replaced. Again, it is just a normal 9-volt battery. The sensitivity dial has 8 positions, 0 to 70. 70 is the lowest setting. 0 is the highest setting. It is backwards on purpose. We see the scanning module. We see the instrument trigger. Remember, the trigger must be pulled and remain pulled to keep the instrument on. Once let go, it will automatically shut off. The sensitivity on the back of the gun. Let's discuss the modules. The scanning module has a 60-degree field of reception. That's for normal scanning, for looking at leaks at a fairly normal distance. It has a single piezoelectric crystal that receives airborne ultrasonic sounds through the air. It fits snugly into the front of the instrument, as seen here. The stethoscope module, which is a waveguide, or known as the contact module, is a metal rod that receives structure-borne ultrasounds from bearings, from valves, from steam traps. The Ultraprobe 100 is not designed for mechanical trending. It was not meant to be repeatable and does not match the digital instruments as far as its readout. Again, this module slides in and out of the front of the unit. The long-range module has a 10-degree field of view and doubles the distance of the scanning module. It slips right over the front of the scanning module. The rubber focusing probe allows the user to pinpoint and isolate ultrasonic signal locations. It narrows the 60-degree field of view and again slides right over the scanning module. The headphones either come with a Walkman style headphone, non-noise dampening, or optional, the hard hat headphones that are noise reducing and meet OSHA requirements for single hearing protection. They fit under a hard hat. Your Ultraprobe 100 may have come with a warble tone generator. This emits an ultrasonic frequency to use for the Ultraprobe to receive. It warbles between 38 and 42 kilohertz. This is mainly used for the sensitivity validation in accordance with ISO 29821. Additionally, used for verification of operational function of Ultraprobe accessories, not just scanning modules. If you have any questions of how to operate your Ultraprobe 100, please contact us at 1-800-223-1325 or email us at info@uesystems.com. Our website is www.uesystems.com.